girls, it's Thursday.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, weekend, 5 awesome college girls.
The last month and a half, 2 months has been kind of weird on our channel. We're all really busy with school, so we haven't been able to post every week like we want to. Maybe after Christmas, hopefully we can get back into sort of semi-regular video. But I am here today because I'm procrastinating. I have a midterm tomorrow and I haven't studied very much for it, and I should be stressed. The smart part of my brain is like, Shauna, you're supposed to be stressing out and studying, and I'm totally just like, whatever. I don't even want to study. Really? Like, really? It's gonna be a hard midterm. Like, I'm not ready. I'm not stressed because I'm ready for it. Just not stressed because I don't care, which is a problem, obviously. So yeah, that's really all I got. I'm just here procrastinating. Thought I'd make a video. Haven't made one here in like a month. So here I am. So what's new with you guys? Tell me, how's it going, girls? Update me on your lives. I have no idea what's going on. We need to do that talking thing, the thing where we talk to each other again. Can that happen? This is the talking motion. We need to talk to each other again. That needs to be a thing. That needs to be a thing that happens. I hope you all have a good Friday and a good weekend. Hopefully I'll be making a video here again relatively soon. Won't be a long time. And I'll see you guys later. Bye.